Do you know what's special about this house? There's something really, really special. Can you spot it? I'm gonna tell you at the end of the video, but come on, try. You've been following my channel. You're good at this now. Now, I'm gonna give you a few hints. Okay, it's in Hermosa Beach, California, but not anywhere in Hermosa. It's front row on the sand, on the strand. The location is amazing, but it's even better. It's an extra wide lot, which is fantastic. And guess what? It's listed for $18,995,000. It's not this, skylight that automatically opens. I'll tell you what it is. What's special about this house is that it's been on the market for 627 days in the hottest market and it hasn't sold. And there are many reasons, but I'll give you two reasons right now. But before I give you that reason, I'll give you a hint. The biggest real estate mistakes you can make is to buy the wrong house or an ugly house or an overpriced house in an already super hot market. Because when the market turns, you'll be imprisoned on and you won't be able to sell it or have to foreclose on it. Now, let me tell you how I would have done things differently with this listing. First, I wouldn't have let this property sit on the market for this long. I would have put it out of the market every 3 to 4 months, refreshed the photography, and brought it fresh to the new buyers that entered the market. It's a turnoff when the property's been on the market for a very long time. You get lowball offers. The second thing is I wouldn't have put 700 pictures on the market, because when you show too much photos, you show flaws and turnoffs as well. The property on a beach of this caliber should sell itself in person. You're on the beach, for God's sakes, right? So less photos is more over here. Now, join my community. The link is in my bio.